take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands rolled. I turned him to gold.
Hi Alma, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday Erickson Almarines. Ingat ka palagi. I love you. Happy birthday Erickson Almarines.
Hi, Alma, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday sa'yo. Salamat na memories na STA. And, sana at the end of the day, may smile na nasa mukha mo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Tapos yun, maging mabait ka, maging innocent. Tapos huwag ka lagi mag-overthink ka lang.
Hi Alma! Happy birthday sa'yo. Yun, maingay kasi ng ulan. Pero, yun, happy birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. Stay snappy.
Alma, more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Hi, sa pinakamaganda kong anak sa 9 Milton. Hi, Almarines. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. And please do not forget to pray and thank God because He loves you no matter what happened. Sobrang miss na miss ko na yung Milton. Sana dumating yung time na magbanding ulit tayo para kagaya ng dati. Wag ka nang pasaway sa bagong mong mami. Pero miss na miss ka na talaga ni Mama Charm. Happy birthday, God bless you, and huwag mo kalilimutan na love ka ni Mama Charm.
God bless. Dali, birthday na ni Alma. Anong masabi mo?
Uy, hi, happy birthday.
Ano pa?
Magandang araw.
Merp. Kita brief mo, Merp. Anong masabi mo ni Alma?
Kulay putito.
Birthday niya, boy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Saan iba? Saan iba?
Ayun, si Andy.
JC, birthday ni Alma. Yung nakalala sa STA. Birthday niya.
Happy birthday.
Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Sino? Ano?
Alma rin.
Happy birthday, Alma. God bless, ingat. Ayun.
Wala si JN dito eh, kaya yun. Ay, happy birthday nga pala.